Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix NVIDIA FPS drop and performance issues. Alright, let's begin. First, right-click on your desktop and select Show More Options, then click NVIDIA Control Panel. In the panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, then under the Global Settings tab, scroll down and find Shader Cache Size. Change it to Disabled and double-check it just for safety, then click Apply and restart your computer. After restarting, open the NVIDIA app, go to Drivers, and select either Game Ready Driver or Studio Driver based on your usage. Click Download and install it once the download finishes. Next, search for Disk Cleanup from the Start menu. Open it, then click Clean Up System Files. In the list, find and check DirectX Shader Cache, then press OK and delete the files. Once done, reopen the NVIDIA Control Panel, go back to Shader Cache Size and change it to Driver Default, then click Apply again. Restart your computer one final time. So that's basically how you can fix NVIDIA FPS drop and performance issues. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.